Good morning. My name is Charles Wolfe, and I am competing in the Rogue Fitness 1,000 Pound Club Challenge in the 1,000 pound weight division. I am prepared to do my first bench press attempt, but let's take a look at the equipment before I do that and make sure everything is up to the standards. All right, first let's take a look at our barbell. It is a Rogue hybrid power bar, standard size, 20 kilos, about 45 pounds. And let's measure our hand markings here. So you can see we've got our tape measure set to 31.9 inches. Our hand markings are going to be marked by this blue painter's tape here. So with one end, you can see this is where it starts. And it ends, boom, right there at 31.9 inches. Hope you get a good view of that. All pretty standard stuff, I suspect. Now, let's take a look at our plates. For this lift, we have these 3 Ivanco 45-pound plates. So there's one. And there is another. There it is. There's our second Ivanco 45. And there's our third Ivanco 45. And then outside of that, we have an IGX 25-pound plate. See that? IGX 25. And then the last thing is an IGX 5-pound plate. I hope you can see that clearly. IGX 5 pounds. And we'll put our safety clip on the end there. Over on the other side, it's the same arrangement. There's one Ivanco 45-pound plate. There's a second Ivanco 45-pound plate. And then we have a third Ivanco 45-pound plate. And then there's our IGX 25 on this side. And finally, our IGX 5-pound plate on this side. Now, doing a little bit of lifting math here. All those plates, the 6 45-pound plates, the 2 25s, and the 2 5s, add up to a lift attempt of 375 pounds. All right, I am ready to go begin my first bench press attempt. Current time is 10:47 now in the morning on Monday, February 2nd. This bench press attempt is 375 pounds. So yeah, here we go. Bench press attempt number 1 at 375. All right, that was a bench press attempt at 375 pounds. Now we'll move on to squat and deadlift.